Hello. First of all, thank you very much for visiting this page. My name is Farnak Solet, and today I want to talk about AI Data Science Global Research Network in Korea. And what is this? The connecting research, career growth, and innovation in Korea. So, first of all, as I mentioned, my name is Farnak Solet. I'm an assistant professor in Department of AI and Data Science at Sejong University. So, what is the meaning of this group and what's our aims? So, as you already visited this website, in this group, there's not only one time like gathering together. This is 5 session program designed to help the members understanding each other's expertise and goals. And by this one, like we can build practical opportunities for research, career development, and innovation. Okay. And here, like, what's your position? You're a student, you're a graduate student, or you're like founder of a startup, or you're working, or you're trying to find a job. Everything is acceptable. This is the group to help you by using the AI to developing your skills, especially like your soft skills. So as you can see in these 5 steps, like in our first meeting, we introduce ourselves and identity each member's strengths. In the second meeting, we share research and career experiences in Korea. And in the third meeting, we explore collaboration opportunities based on AI and data science trends. And in the fourth meeting, we develop ideas into action plans such as papers, grants, patents, or startup concepts. And in the final meeting, we share outcomes and discuss how to sustain the network. So that's a good area for graduate students, for people who are working, they can already explain their ideas. And also everybody can connect together, they increase expand their network, they can understand and matching together to collaborate together and developing their ideas and sustain that one. So that's a good area to working together. And there are a variety of people with different jobs, with different positions. So everybody in who are living in Korea, they can participate in this group. And also, what can members gain? They can increase their like research partners, ideas, career insights, and long-term connection, especially in like the aspect of um, researchers. They can collaborate together, they can find new people, they can find out how to write a proposal for getting the grant from government and other areas inside Korea or outside Korea. And for students, they can find out how to develop their ideas to publish papers and other areas, other things, or like developing and writing some codes, others. And some people who are working, there are some issues in case of like connecting to people, especially the cultural barriers. So we can help them to talk together in our group. We can brainstorming and find a way to solve their issues and helping them to avoid these kinds of barriers. And thank you very much for visiting this website and this page. And if you want, you can contact us anytime. And thank you. Goodbye.